may ara ka nga blank. Or you can also say may blank ka. Let's say may ara ka nga laptop. Or may laptop ka. May laptop ka or may ara ka nga laptop. So that means, do you have a laptop? May ara ka nga laptop or may laptop ka. Pwede mahulam. May I borrow it or can I borrow it? Pwede mahulam. Pwede is can I or is it okay? Pwede mahulam. Hulam means to borrow. Pwede mahulam. Pwede, that means possible or it's okay. Siyempre, that means of course. Pwede is okay or possible. Siyempre is of course. Pwede, siyempre. San o mo ayhan mabalik or san o mo ayhan mauli? So when do you think you can return it? San o is when, and then mabalik or mauli is to return. So san o mo ayhan mabalik or san o mo ayhan mauli? Mauli mo karon sa gabi. So can you return it tonight? Or you can also say, pwede mo mauli karon sa gabi. So would it be possible for you to return it tonight? Mauli mo karon sa gabi or pwede mo mauli karon sa gabi? Hindi ko pwede ipahulam ang blank ko kay gamiton ko. So you can say, hindi ko pwede ipahulam ang laptop ko kay gamiton ko. So I can't lend you my laptop because I am going to use it. Hindi ko pwede ipahulam ang laptop ko kay gamiton ko. Andaman mo ha? Please take care of it. Like, it's more of like a threat in a way. Like, you really have to be careful. You really have to take good care of it because you'll see maybe later or something if you don't take good care of it. So, it's kind of like a threat in a way. So, andaman mo ha? Pwede mahulam hasta karon sa gabi or pwede mahulam hasta karon sa gabi. May I borrow it until tonight? Pwede mahulam hasta karon sa gabi or pwede mahulam hasta karon sa gabi. I think hasta is commonly used compared to hasta. So pwede mahulam hasta karon sa gabi? Wala sa akon. I don't have it. It's not with me. Wala sa akon. Ginhulam ni Pedro. So it was borrowed by Pedro. So instead of Pedro, you can change the name of the person who borrowed it. So ginhulam ni Pedro, ginhulam ni Maria.